I'm at Tao's place. He said he wanted to make a stir fry using what we can find around his land. Let's go see what we can find. This is fresh feeds. We're going to go get some bamboo shoots to make a stir fry with. That's what we're looking for. It's a good one. Got some pumpkin flour. What do you eat? Seal just made a homemade smoker. Just to get some smoke up there. So I was just taking off the skin of the orioli. You can eat the inside of the kawanga. This is the orioli. How about spring onion? Wild passion fruit leaves. So we've been boiling this now for the past 15 minutes. Oh man, the smell is good, eh? It's ready, people. Rasta has been roasting for the past 3.5 hours. Oh man, that looks delicious.
Oh wow.
If you go, I'm really excited to taste this. Pumpkin flour. Oh man. Texture like a bok choy. Oli. Oh yeah. This is the bamboo shoot here. A little bit bitter, but it does add like a tangy taste to it. So this chicken that Rasta has been smoking for the past 3 hours. He didn't put anything on it, just salt. Ken reckon 10 tala. I reckon 25 tala for this plate. Boys.